Before we buy shoe in the market, we used to test it now. Even the one we order online, we know our size. We pick our size, right? You say that you did not test the shoe before you bought it. You don't know your size. You just buy shoe, any shoe. Even shoe of Tata. Let me test it if my shoe is my size. Wait. Getting married is just like getting the right shoe size that will fit. Hey, the shoe is not my size. Wait. I'm trying to test it if the shoe is my size. Is it what you experience in your marriage? Oh my God. Hey, this shoe must size me. Hey, the shoe did not size me. This, why will I not go and buy shoe that will not size me? I must force it. This shoe must enter. That's how people force their marriage to enter. Hey, people that are serious for marriage, people that are ready to marry, they must force that tight shoe may enter. Hey, the shoe did not size me. It must enter by force. It don't enter. Yes, it must size me by force. Hey. Go drag and you go stretch am. You must make am size. And that's what marriage is about. You must drag it to size. It's for better for worse. If you no size you, you go stretch am. You go make am size you. Yes. If you don't want struggle to make a size you inside marriage, then when you are getting married, you have to be careful. You have to look very well. You have to test the shoe. That's what dating is for. You did not date, you just go straight to marriage. That's why courtship is good. During dating and courtship, it's not time to commit premarital acts. It's time to know each other. Either you are compatible character-wise, either you are compatible in other things. It's not time to go to bed, though. It's time to know your compatibility. That's why people separate for irreconcilable differences. You know, no dates. Desperation. You just carry shoe when not be your size. Go house. You don't reach house. Before you can't notice, say this shoe not be your size. Hey, you know what? You know test shoe before you buy. You don't know your size before you buy. You don't reach out before you go to try shoe. Not my size. Not my size. Does it also include the other room? That shoe size you too? Abi no size. Abi na only character no size you. Abi na only in doings no size you. What no size you exactly? Is it everything? Did the Igbola size you? Tell us. The Igbola size you? Abi no size? I love you.